Hey everyone, Dutchman Mods and Repairs back. We've got a follow-up video here that I wanted to do on the hot tub pad. I wanted to show people kind of where we're at. This pad with the hot tub's been on it since end of February, and we're now the end of May. So I just wanted to kind of show some things. Disregard, yeah. We're work in progress here. We're kind of getting this area set up for the hot pad itself. Got some stuff going in here, some loungers that are going to go in. That's just some a different size crushed gravel there. But anyways, this is just to kind of generally show the hot tub itself, how it's resting on the stone. I mean, literally, it's you know, it's not like it's sank in at all. I mean, you can give you a shot here off to the side, so you can see it doesn't settle or anything like that. And just so you guys can see, okay, full of water. My scum ball is. That's water's looking a little that's pollen, whatever. I guess I got a little work I gotta do here. It's different from yesterday. Oh, it's something new, huh? Anyhow, all the way around there. We're in the process of redoing this whole area and the fence. This major project's everywhere, right? Got my hot water line coming over here, cold water line over there. What eventually will be a shower in this area here, so people can take a nice shower any time of the year before they get in the hot tub. That little, let me tell you what, if you guys want to talk about like a carrier for the top cover, that thing right there that we got from Integrity Spas is just the ticket. It swings up, and you just, you know, fold your top over, shim it in there, fold it down. It's great. We didn't want to get those ones that, you know, take the support here in the middle. This is bonus footage sharing, by the way. It's support in here because we didn't want this to be supporting the whole cover and then wear out prematurely. So anyways, just wanted to show that. Okay, everything's looking good, working fine, no issues. Got any questions, or you want to see something different than what I showed in this video, let me know. Put it in the comments. I'll answer the question. If you're wanting something more specific as far as a video goes, I can do that too. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Catch you again soon.